Okay, so this is a continuation of Chapter 1, Lesson 5, some extra practice in case you just would like to practice more, or you're like, hey, this is a really fun lesson, it's really pretty kind of cool, I just want some extra practice. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this. So, take a look at page 51 in your book. If you don't have your book, again, just write things on a piece of paper over on this side and keep them in your notes, like you want to keep them all together. All right, the table shows the total it took Samir to read 0, 1, 2, 3 pages of his book. The table also lists the information in ordered pairs, the number of pages, and the total minutes. It says graph the ordered pairs. So, 0, 0, that is right there, and I'm actually glad that we have to do that because if it is 0, 0, it goes right on that origin. The next ordered pair is 1, 4, so over 1, up 4. Notice mine goes in increments of 5. So I know that it has to be just a little bit below that one. And it's not going to be perfect, and I'm not going to be particular in looking at your ordered pairs to make sure it's directly where it needs to be. If it looks like it's close to where it's supposed to be, good. If you're going to sit here and do one that's all the way up here, then that's a problem because it's not 120. It is 1, 4. Okay, the next one is 2, 8. And the last one is 3, 12. Describe the pattern. What are we noticing? What are we seeing? Okay, we are seeing that X is being multiplied by 4 to get the Y. So see, so if I times this by 4, I get 0. 1 times 4 times 4 times 4. We also notice that the graph shows that he reads, oops, not her, he reads 1 page every 4 minutes. Oops. I told you guys I'm not very good at, I have really sloppy handwriting. It's better in person, but that's okay. Maybe not. Okay, we're going to do this last one right here, and then these are the only example problems I'm going to go through. Ken's Home Supply charges $5 for each foot of fencing. Wayne's Warehouse charges $6 per foot of fencing. Make a table for each. So here's Ken's Home Supply, and Ken charges $5. So for 1 feet, it's $5. So how am I getting from here to here? Multiplying by 5. So I know that I can multiply each of these by 5. Because I'm starting with 1, right? Oops. 15. Man, I don't know what just happened right there, but that did not come out right. And then 20. So my X and Y axis, 1, 15. Don't forget the parentheses. Don't forget the comma. And then don't forget to close that parentheses. There we go. The next one, Wayne's Warehouse is $6. Obviously, Wayne's is a little bit more expensive. So $6. So notice I get from here to here by multiplying by 6. Or I can also do just my multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. Do you see how I did that? So crazy. That's why we had LCM before. See how it all works together? Oh, I love math so much. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and order these. 1, 6, 2, 12, 3, 18, and 4, 24. Okay, all with commas in between and with open and closed parentheses. So I'm going to use 2 different colors again. I'm going to say red for Ken, and then I'm going to say blue for Wayne. But we're going to go ahead and do Ken's first. Again, if you don't have different colors, just go ahead and do like a lighter pencil mark, and then a darker one, so you can make sure you know the difference between the lines. Okay, so we're going to start at the origin. Starting at the origin means we start at 0, 0. So my first one is 1, 5. My second one is 2, 10. My third one is 3, 15. And my last one is 4, 20. And then I'm going to just kind of create a very soft line that goes up. Okay, I'm going to change it to my blue. I'm going to... Okay, so I had to stop the video because we are... oh my goodness, hang on. Okay, interruptions. Happens all the time. Intercom. Anyways, people talking to me, so we're good. Here we go. Last one. So I'm going to do it in blue, and I'm going to do Wayne's. And so we have 1, 6, it's right there, and then 2, 12. See, not very good. But then again, I'm writing on this. 3, 18. I don't know why that just moved on me. And then 4, 24, which would be right about there. Okay. There we go. All right, good enough. All right, let's take a look at this. So then it says, let's write down what we see. So we see that Wayne is actually increasing at a faster rate than Ken's rate. Okay, again, we see Ken's kind of going like this, and then we see Wayne's going more like this. Okay, so Ken's is kind of going like this, and Wayne is going like this. All right, so there are some more examples for you. So there we go. More stuff, more interruptions. And now it's not. I can't get it to turn off. And